here. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hi, I'm Adishri. I am a first year college student in Goa at BITS Goa. Today is a Saturday. After lunch, we made a very impromptu decision to go out.
मेरे पॉकेट से निकल रहा है.
Avni is virtually on the beach.
Okay, Avni story time. We came out of the hostel, wanted to go Bogmalo, but we got rejected by 6 taxi drivers.
So we just had a burger and came back. That was fun as well. Now that my second sem in college has just begun, I've been really meaning to document this from a very long time, which is my honest Sem 1 experience at BITS Goa. I still remember getting my offer letter on the 22nd of July 2025. That's when you're first excited about college. You start having your first impression about this is how college life is going to be. Honestly, JEE के time पे लगता था that college life is going to be all fun and मजे and no पढ़ाई. But when I came to college for the first time, I was a little overwhelmed. So in the first few weeks, our seniors had organized a lineup of events that we all had to take part in. So through all these random events, we actually got to know all of us in our batch, and I think that was a really fun experience for us. So in the first few weeks at least, there was no routine as such. In the morning, we would attend very few classes that we had, and after that, we would just come back and chill around in the hostel or just roam around the campus and literally only chill. That was the most chill phase of my college life yet. Coming to hostel life, the part which all of us are most excited about, and yeah, I was too. So before coming to college, I had so many perceptions about, okay, this is how college life is going to be and everything. And honestly, yeah, it was. We would come back from classes and mostly we would be in each other's room. This was my first time living in a hostel away from home. So initially it did feel overwhelming. I won't deny, घर की तो बहुत याद आ रही थी. That was in the first 2 weeks. But with that came so much freedom. There would be no one to restrict you from doing anything. You could choose what you actually want to do. And I think that's a lot freeing. With that being said, hostel life came with a lot of independence. There was a little slip off in routines. There was no routine. We would wake up at 8:57 for a 9 a.m. class and just run to class. After classes got done, we would just come back to our room, pretty much just chill. We would be in each other's rooms and yeah, in general roam around the campus and get to know the campus better. That was it. That was only chill basically in the first few weeks. Coming to social life, we got some really cool seniors who had a lineup of a huge number of events in the initial weeks of college, which included inductions to various clubs in college, or there would be games through which we would always be on to something or some activity. So during weekdays after classes, we would just participate in all of these events, and during weekends, we would just go out, explore around the city, and in general just have fun. The first few weeks went in just adjusting to this very new environment of college life and hostel as well, and living alone. Now, one aspect that I was really lucky about was I didn't really feel I was very far from home. My home is just 30 minutes away from college. So during weekends, yes, I would sometimes go home as well. So I would never feel like I was really somewhere very far from home. No, that was not the case. With that, also get the maza of hostel life. So yeah. So in the first few weeks, we would literally have very impromptu social events like a random DJ night, and everybody used to gather at this one place on campus to meet every day and get to know the people better. Coming to clubs and departments, now this is something that everyone was excited about in the first 2 months of college. There's literally a club or a department about anything and everything you could ever think of. There are tech clubs, there are creative clubs, there are non-tech clubs like a club in finance or a club in consulting. It's a really good way to find people of similar interests, or to even get to know your seniors better, or to even talk to seniors. I think that's a really good way to communicate with people. But that's just one way. I know people who are not in most of these clubs and they're still doing really well, so that's nice as well. So clubs is not really a compulsion, but it's really good to be in one or two at least in your first year, I guess. Next, coming on to fests and party. So for the first year batch, there are a lot of parties and fests happening very frequently. There used to be a random DJ night or there was a fresher, again which helped you get to know people around you better. About fests, my college had one fest in the first sem, which was a 3-day fest. So that was my first ever fest experience in college. ये सब experience करते करते कब first sem खत्म हो जाता है समझ नहीं आता. Like the first sem drifted away like so quick. इसके साथ ही then there were exams that were coming. So we had our end sems in December, and just 1 week before, that's when the grind actually starts. No one really studies during the entire sem because it's so happening and you get to do a lot of things beyond just academic. J के time पे genuinely लगता था that after coming to college there's no पढ़ाई or there's only masti that's happening, but it's just 1 week before that you realize कि okay, now exams have come and 4-5 महीने का syllabus you gotta cover in a couple of nights, which actually looks huge, but it's pretty much what happens always. So with all of that being said, my exam experience was fun as well. During the moment it did feel like a grind. But all in all, what I've learned in my first sem is to just take light. Do not let things get to your head. Beat the good things, beat the bad things. It's all gonna end after some time and you will have to move on. So just take light, guys. And I think it pretty much makes sense because unlike school, you might not be the best at everything in college. Not letting rejection or sad moments actually get to your head is what college is really teaching beyond classes, which is why I'm really liking the whole new college experience. Okay, so that's about my college life in my first sem. I hope you really enjoyed the video. The main purpose behind documenting this was just to keep it as a memory and to remind myself later on where it all started, my first sem in college. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, do like and share this video and do comment below what you really felt about this video and what you liked about this video. Do also subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to really posting more on here. So that's it for the video. See you soon in the next one. Until then, bye bye.